from autonomous missions to drone racing. At CVAR, we build drones that fly autonomously, relying only on onboard sensors and computing. Our open-source framework, Aerostack 2, combines perception, planning, and control into a single modular system, ready for real-world applications. Already used in industrial inspections, from solar farms to ships, we challenged Aerostack 2 in a new arena. A2RL, the leading international competition for autonomous drone racing, organized by Aspire in Abu Dabi. Our drone completed the 2 laps of the circuit fully autonomously, using just an onboard camera and IMU, with all computation done directly on the drone. The result? A place among the top 8 teams in the grand finals and 2nd place in the multiple drone race in our bracket. A solid step forward as for research, for robotics, for AI, and for Aerostack 2.